Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare.
Here we go. 2010 Jeep Patriot, I think. One of these disposable post-recession Chrysler products. You can see there's a problem there. What else we got? Oh yeah. That's not right. There we go. There's the other bolt. There's the. That's not the way it's supposed to sit. The whole end of this thing is just right down there. What do you got? Oh. God almighty. No safety for you.
Yeah, it's an old blowed up Subaru. That has not been here.
Jiggly, jiggly.
The Legacy, that Outback.
This mechanic was doing an oil change on his wife's car and is currently underneath it. As he was taking the drain plug out, he rolled over onto his side with his keys in his pocket and it accidentally hit the engine start button, causing this to happen. This customer took it upon himself to wire up all of his lights, and it went as well as you can imagine.
This is lifted straight, by the way. I don't know if you can tell, but that cradle's kind of falling out here. We got that going on there, and then we come to this side, we got that going on there. Oh no! And then we got going back here, we got that going on there, and then we come over here, and we got what we got up here, we got those over there, and then we come down here. What we got here, we got that guy there. And get the out of there. Then we go over here, we get that guy out of there. Then we come up over here and we get, oh, that's the lift point. She's good. She's solid stuff. Got that guy over there, and then we got this guy here. Just pull that down there, and she's mint.
Customer states, the temperature gauge spiked, so I parked the car, which is lucky, as it was the water pump that failed. This customer sent in this video, which initially looks like quite a bad oil leak. Thankfully, when they show the fluid on some paper, you can see it looks too clean to be oil, and it simply turned out to be some dirty AC water. Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.